Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to braid, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do pick and drop. What I mean by pick and drop is I'm going to be plaiting, I'm going to be braiding halfway, and I'm going to leave the rest to coil later. And in this my video, I'm just teaching you. The video is kind of a little bit fast, but I'm going to put a link below. On I have a video that can teach you step by step on how you can hold your extension and how you can plait, how if you're a beginner, how you can use your hand to plait it like very neat from the beginning. I'm gonna put that link below in my description box. All you need to do is just click on my description box and you will see how to braid step by step. And with you, when you watch that video and you watch this one, you will understand it. So this video is mainly pick and drop, and that video is just a step by step on how you can hold your extension. So I'm braiding up halfway, and I'm just braiding her hair now, after which I've done that up to the point where her hair stop, because she has a natural hair. So if someone has got a natural hair, you want to plait it up to where their hair stop, because if you don't plait it up to where their hair stop, that is going to be sticking out in the extension and it will get old quickly. So you want to plait up to where your customers or where the hair stop, and you tie it at the end. Just tie a couple of times so it doesn't lose, and at the end you can just coil. So now I'm done with the hair, and in this video I didn't show you how to coil it. The reason is that I've got a video of where I've coiled the hair. I will leave the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.